and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are going to be making homemade croquettes. I had this dish a bunch while I was traveling through Spain as just a common appetizer. It's super tasty and delicious, and today I'm going to put a little bit of a spin on it because I'm using 3 different cheeses. So let's get started. If cheesy mashed potatoes aren't enough for you, then the next step is we're going to bread them and deep fry them. So once you have everything all nice and rolled out, I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes before I fry it, just so the potatoes keep their shape a little bit better. So now I'm frying them in some coconut oil. A lot of recipes call for vegetable or canola oil, but I find coconut oil is just a little bit of a healthier alternative. It does give them a slightly fruity taste though, but I personally enjoy it. Happy Friday, everyone, and I'm actually taking these to a party tonight, and I'm sure they'll be a hit. Delicious. Thanks so much for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up.